Hi, Jenny here. The other day I was shopping at Michael's and at the checkout counter they had some interesting looking chocolates. So I picked up a couple of them to try. I have here some honeycomb and potato chip. It's by a company called Chuao, C-H-U-A-O. So the bars are made with like 63% fair trade chocolate. They are made here in California. They are free of artificial preservatives, colors and flavors, artificial sweeteners, and trans fats. If you go on their website, they have like 19 different flavors. So some of them sound very interesting. They have like s'mores and firecracker, which looks like it has like pop rock type crackles in them. They have like a birthday cake one. They have a spicy one. So those would be interesting to try too, to see if I could find some of those in the store. The wrapping on here is kind of coated. Usually you have just like a paper wrapping on a candy bar and that, but this has like a texture to it. So let's try. Whee! To go on the floor, right? Because it doesn't go on the floor in my videos. Smells like chocolate. Now I tried honeycomb Kit Kats and I didn't really care for them. It's broken apart. So again, this is the honeycomb. You can kind of see some little specks in there. They said it was like caramelized honeycomb covered in dark chocolate. I can feel the crunch, and I feel the honeycomb. Don't taste any honey. Just tastes like dark chocolate. Well, it's not bad. Alright, let's try potato chip. And like I was saying, I've tried the Reese's peanut butter cup with the potato chips in there, which again also just tasted like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Had the crunch of the potato chips in there, but it smells chocolatey, but not as chocolatey as the other one. Oh, here's a full bar. So you can see the words on there. So the same: chew, wow, chihuahua, woo, tickle, relish, tease, dazzle, crave, ah, tingle, melt. That was MCK. Desire, entice, glow, and actually melting in my hand. Woo! Oh, and on the back, that's also wanted to show you. On the back, you can see the potato chips. It's alright. Try a square of that too. Very crunchy. I can taste the potato chips in that one. And the chocolate, but I can taste the potato chips. So it's pretty good. It's different. Be interesting to try some of the other flavors that they have too. So it looked like on the website it said that these bars are sold at Michael's, obviously where I bought it. They are at Walmart and some Roundy's and Amazon, the Fresh Market, and Five Below. So if you are shopping in any one of those stores, look for one of these candy bars, see what kind of flavors you can find. Try them. Let me know in the comments down below if you do find anything and try them. I'd like to hear what you think of that. So I thought they were pretty good. I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye bye.